also need to give that interest of you learning how to do this. It's actually very easy. With your phone, you can do it. If you let's say, okay, there's a barrier, you don't have a laptop. With your phone, you can actually use it to do this. So it's very easy. You can talk to it, you can type on it. So it's just like you going to ChatGPT and asking ChatGPT, what can I eat today? And it gives you different options. So that's how this AI work easily for you.
Okay, very clear. And the other thing, it will be that different people are on different levels in terms of learning AI as well as tech. So I will ask the participant to just prepare questions that they can present to the speaker, or maybe comment on the group later on, so that the speaker will respond to that. But also to the speaker, I will just ask after the session, maybe you post certain links that will allow the members to be able to go there to start exploring, because there were few people who joined the group, so they are not sure exactly where to start and so forth. But also, I would like to encourage members of the group, if you know certain participant in the group is specialized on certain tech skill, you can just write there and say, I'm interested to learn on this. Can you please help me, so that we all learn and we gain something at the end of the day. So thank you. You may proceed.
Okay.
Thank you. Good. You can share your screen now. So thank you.
Okay, I'm doing that. Yeah, can you see my slide?
We can't see your slide, but it's showing your teams right now.
Okay. Can you see right now? Can you see my slide?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, yeah, the topic says master AI and digital marketing. So using Manychat. So Manychat is like is an AI tool that helps both individual business to respond to FAQs, price. So let me explain. Let's say you're on, when let's use Netflix now. So when you get to Netflix and you're thinking about what's movie to watch, you really don't know the movie to watch, right? So there's it gives you this impulse statement, like pick these. So like the AI is trying to make you pick a movie that you don't want to watch, but advertise it for you to watch it. Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
So that's what AI do for you. So let's say you're applying for a job. So that AI is going to send you notification, tell you, oh, there's this job opening. So AI is just, it helps you think, it prompts ideas for you to use, and it gives you more insights on. At that point in time, you might not know what you really want to pick, but AI help you dictate what to choose and make it faster for you. Also, if you want to, I'm going to give another example. Like you went to a restaurant, and when you got to the restaurant, normally a waiter will just come and meet you and say, what do you want? And you just tell the waiter, oh, I want to buy jollof rice with chicken, and you write it down and you go and give the chef, and there'll be a manual process for your receipts and the rest. But with AI, it's just a simple prompt, you order it, and everything worked out as fast as possible. You get your alerts, you get your food, and it's going to also tell you what time you're going to get that food. And if it's delivery, it's also going to give you the time that you're going to get the delivery of the food. So it's as simple as that. So we have AI tools, we have AI automation, and we have AI workflow. So the workflow is so these are AI automation, like the example I gave you about the restaurants of you ordering and CV. That's an AI automation. It just helps you with the tax. So an AI workflow is the process, like it's just like in data analysis where you say API. So it's just like in data, you load, you extract, and you visualize. So in AI automation workflow, you send the chatbot what to do. So let's say a customer wants to buy food. The AI chatbot is going to ask the customer, what type of food do you want to buy? We have different type of food. The AI chatbot will also ask the customer, do you want it pick up, delivery, or how do you want it? The AI chatbot can also ask, do you want it very spicy, less spicy? So it saves business and it saves individual time to communicate with clients. So that time that the customer is supposed to be, the entrepreneur is supposed to be talking with the customer, it saves you that time to do other things because the chatbot will help you respond to all these questions. Also, for applying for a job, the chatbot is going to help you submit your CV, optimize your CV so that it's going to be like an ATS required and the rest. So that's what this automation helps you to do. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Do you have any questions? Okay, you can just put your question on the chat. I'm going to respond to it. So for the main topic where we have what is digital marketing. So digital is it's not physical. It's something that is online. So that's what digital is. Just like you selling something online. So we can sell ebooks online, socks, whatever you're selling, but it's online. So that's digital marketing. So what's affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is like, I'll go to Amazon and let's say Mr. Ganu is selling headphone. So I'll click on his link and I'll help him to sell his headphone with a commission. So helping people sell their products with a commission is affiliate marketing. And that way you can use your phone to make money. In the sense that they have lots of products on seller.com, nas.io, Amazon, that they do this affiliate marketing, that even when you don't have work, like you don't have a job, you can help people to sell their products using your phone. That's where affiliate marketing comes in. And this chatbot can also help you know the trending products to sell or to help somebody sell. So if you want to sell as a digital marketer, it will tell you, prompt you, give you ideas on how to create an ebook and create it for you, and you sell it. If you want to go to the aspect of affiliate marketing, helping somebody to sell their product, it's going to give you ideas, hooks on how to sell your product fast. So that's where this AI helps you to save money, save costs, and boost productivity using AI. So I gave example that on your social media, even your email, there's a chatbot that can help you organize your email. So you are going to, let's say you have lots of email and you want to categorize them on high, low, and medium priorities. So that chatbot so whenever any message comes into your mail, the chatbot will help you separate them into these three categories, either high, low, or medium. As simple as that. It's just a prompt you're going to give it to, and it's going to do that for you. So for this class, I am going to explain Manychat. And on Manychat, there's a commission. There's a 50% commission the more you create awareness to that product. There's a 100% commission. So you are helping them sell these products and you're getting a commission. You're not paying anything. You can sign in free for 14 days and you get a free commission. So if you don't want to even use Manychat, you can go to seller.com. You pick a product that interests you, that you know you can talk about. You can sell it for the person with a commission, 50%, 80% commission. You do not need to do the work. The AI will help you promote your product and help you sell somebody's product or your product. It's as simple as that. And using Manychat, you can get more lead. It can help you get more follower. It helps you grow on whatever platform you're using. It responds to your FAQs as a business. It can do that for you. So before I dive into the practical aspect of Manychat, I would like to ask if you understand what I'm saying, like if you have any questions so we can explain before I go further.
Okay.
So far, very clear,
As
but I would like to ask for a beginner, how long will it take the person to learn how to use Manychat? Like on estimate, how long can it take to learn?
30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're just giving the chatbot a prompt. Do this, do this, do this. That's it. So it's like I said, AI is not hard. But because of the way people are saying it, it looks hard. It's actually not hard to do.
See, clear. Thank you.
all
So
right,
is there
thank you
any
very
more
much.
questions?
In case you have question, please you can raise up your hand and we will call on you. So
Okay, I'm going through the chat to see if there's any question. But if there's not any
there is no
question, let
question.
me go dive into the
Okay. I have
practical.
question for you. So
Okay.
right now, based on what you said, we can use AI for different purposes. But in this case now, we are using AI for digital and affiliate marketing.
Yes.
So now, is this AI going to stop the work of salespeople, or is going to make them more productive?
Okay, so AI is not stopping anybody's work. It's just for individuals to know how to use AI. When you know how to use this tool, it's going to boost productivity and makes you smarter. So the time you used to be, let's say the time I used to be talking to a client might take me 10 hours. This AI, you give it a prompt and it's going to help you talk to your client. It will even convince the client, book the appointment for you. As simple as that. So it's just us knowing how to use AI. AI is not taking anybody's job, but it's going to take people's job that don't know how to use AI. I can't hear you.
Somebody have asked a question on the group. Sulaiman Giwa asked that, is prompts a programming language or just a normal language? Can you please explain that?
It's just as I'm talking to you, it's an English language. It's not a program. Like I don't know how to use Python. I don't like Python, so I did not learn programming language. Even when Mr. Gani was explaining Python for me, I just don't want to learn Python. So it's a simple English that you just pick your phone. Let's say you have ChatGPT. There are different AI tools. You have ChatGPT, free version on your ChatGPT. Just talk to it. If you don't want to type, let's say you are scared that I'm going to say something that is not correct, it might not understand me. Talk to the ChatGPT. Said, I want to sell something for Mr. Ganu. How do I start? As simple as that. ChatGPT understand French. ChatGPT understand Yoruba. ChatGPT understand broken. So it's not just only English. You can speak to ChatGPT with different language. He will understand you. So it's simple English. You don't need a programming language to learn it. So this is a no, and most of the AI tools, they are no code tools. So you do not need to know how to use code to use these tools. Did I answer your question?
Yes, you answered my question. So just curious about that particular question again. So now, what you are saying is that this prompting is just like instruction, like the way we chat on WhatsApp. That's what it's all about, right?
Yeah, that's what it's all about. It's just
Right.
like you asking your friend, how are you today? Can you? So I want to ask the question like, I'm traveling to New York. I do not know how to book a ticket. I don't know how to get to New York. I don't know anywhere I'm going to stay in New York. Can you help me? So ChatGPT is going to tell you where to stay. ChatGPT is going to tell you how to book your ticket. ChatGPT is going to tell you things to do to have fun where you are going to. So it's just you learning how to use these tools, talking to them. The more you talk to them, the more you get perfect, the more you know how to prompt it. As simple as that.
All right. So that's that on that. If you have any question again, you can raise up your hand. We will see you and we will give you access to the platform to ask your question. But if there is no other question, we are going to tell Ruth to proceed. So we are going to the technical part now. Did they need to install or register anything
Okay,
before you
so
can proceed to the next part?
no, you do not need to install anything, but I'll just send you the link so you can just click on it and you have the free version for 14 days. So I'll do that now.
So you can put it on the chat so
Yeah.
that people will. In case anyone wants to follow along, you can register on the chat with the link on the chat. So any question while we are still doing that, in case you are thinking of anything, it might be AI related to your work.
Yes, it can be
That's
AI
that's
related
what
to you, but I can help you too.
that's what
Like,
I wanted to type,
yes,
that
let,
people can ask in relating to their work, how can they
okay.
use this tool?
Like last week now, I was working on it with a particular company, and that company, I don't know what they do. Like they just gave me a project, they signed the contract behind me, but I'm supposed to develop a dashboard on it. And I went into ChatGPT, and before we can analyze data in our own field, even in finance, you must understand the business. Business understanding is very important. So I went into ChatGPT and I on the web feature and I said, conduct a market research for this company, perform industry analysis, perform SWOT analysis, read the article, anything related to their finance, carbon emission in the last 5 years. And AI brought everything to me and I read it. So while I look at the data, I understand what that does. So in case you're having troubles in how you can integrate AI with your current role, please let us know. And if you want to learn more, we will find free resources. And if you can pay, we can give you paid one too. That's why that's what we do at Sophia Network. So Ruth, back to you.
Okay, so we are diving into the technical aspects of AI using Manychat. Okay, so we have so this is the paid version of Manychat. But I'm going to start with the non-paid so you can understand it better. The free version. So this is the free version. When you click on that link and you sign in with your Gmail, it brings you here. So, and you can have more than one account, like you connect your different social platforms on Manychat. So Manychat has different channel, TikTok, WhatsApp, message, SMS, email, Telegram. So you can connect any one of them. When you get here, you get to, if you want to connect your channel, any of the channel you prefer to connect, you're going to connect it here. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so I'll use the paid version of it so you can understand better. So this is my profile and this is the paid version. So when you get to the paid version of Manychat, this is the home and it has different templates. So we can explore as many templates as we want. But before you start, you go to automation first. So this is the automation part where we do the main practical of. So it has different triggers. So I'll start with new automation and the templates. So I'm using Instagram now, but you can use any other channel you prefer. So we have different templates. We have for when someone DM you and you want to send your link, let's say your website link, you can send it. Let's say you want to generate leads with stories. So on your story, you can also DM, like follow me or thank you for liking my stories, things like that. You can create more engagement using stories. You can also automate using AI, like when anybody just start chatting, there's a welcome conversation that the chatbot can do to you. So this is response to your DMs. So when, let's say you're a business that is into uh let's say you're into
Hi Ruth, sorry. Someone is asking if they can use many chats on their mobile or desktop.
yeah, you can
I
use it
think
on your
people,
mobile and desktop. You can use it on both.
I think if you can demonstrate how a new user can open their account, it will be better. Thank you.
When you get to that link, okay, so let me click the link. So
Please, can you share the link? I got logged out by the internet. I'm sorry.
It's on the chat. Shall I share it again?
But I've reshared it again. Good. Continue. I've reshared it.
Okay.
Thank you. I've
Thank
seen it.
you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I it's still going to give my name, but that's what you just need to click. When you click on get discounts, it's going to ask you to sign in like a new user. It's going to ask you to sign in with your Gmail. So it's just for you to sign in with your Gmail when you click here to get discount. So that's what it means. So you have to sign in with your Gmail and that's it. So when you sign in with your Gmail, it brings you to this page, like a new page where you need to create a new account. So this is like the home page. It brings you here. You can either log in with your Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Telegram. But you have to log in with your details. So I'm trying to log in with my own details now, because I already logged in. So it's asking me to switch. So I'll not be able to log in on this free version because I already have a pro version. Do you understand?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. So I'll start all over again because she said our network was. So when you get to the home, when you get here, you go to automation. So this is automation. This is where you do the most of the work. So on automation, we have my automations, we have basic automation. So basic automation is just like follow to DM, say hi to new followers. So when you have new followers, you can just set this up. The new followers can know your FAQs, they can know the time you open, is it pickup or what type of delivery do you do? So you can just set this up. Also on story, when somebody mentioned you, the chatbot can also help you say, thank you, I have free gift for you, just to increase more followers or more lead. It might not be followers, it might be that it's a business page and you need more clients. So this automation help you grow potential customers and get new customers too. So we are going to use my automation for this so I can explain better. New automation. So we're going to use from the template. You can start from scratch. Starting from scratch is just typing, what do you want to build? So it's going to ask you what's the trigger. So you can say, okay, when users reply to my story, or when somebody sends me a message, or when I get a comment on my post, or I just need, so I'll just pick a comment on my post. So it's going to ask you which post do you want to trigger. So let me click this post. So that's my trigger. And this where you, so this where you give it that prompt. Comment, so it can be any word. It can be, okay, whenever somebody just comment on my post, hello, you just type hello. It can be hello. It can be somebody comments price. Then somebody else comment, let's say, let's say, how are you? How? So it can be any keyword you use, or dates, or hours. So whenever the person comments that, it's going to give it that trigger that, oh, wow, somebody's chatting on my platform. I need to respond. So most times businesses use it when, like, somebody chats, what's your opening time, and what's your FAQs, like what's your menu, what's your price, what's delivery mood.
Delivery call.
Yeah. So any question, you just tailor it to what your business is like. You just have to tailor it to how you want to. So you can tweak it anyway. You must not use send to my DM. You can change it. You can just tweak it. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. So it can be anything you want to prompt it to see, but just tailor it to your own business. When you're done, you save and you send the message. So you have to pick which of the platform you want. Do you want it to be on Instagram? So you have to say, oh, it can be as a comment, and you just type thank you, or you say you welcome. So whatever you type here, it's what you can preview it to see. So it says you welcome, and you just set it live. That's it. That's it. It's live already. So if you go to your Instagram page, it's going to prompt whenever anybody comments on your post or reel. You set it up already. So this is starting from scratch. So let me show you the one that it's mostly used, like mostly popular, that people use frequently. So this is the most popular. So I can, like, if you start the affiliate marketing, you're selling for somebody, right? You use this particular prompt. So it can be any post, and you can say you want to use all or any of the posts. It must not be a specific one. So you just put your keyword, say kindly follow for more. So since the first example was using a keyword, so you can use any word. So whenever anybody just chats, it just gives you, so that you will not just specify that it has to be hello or hi. So it's possible the person can just put an emoji for you. So let's leave it to be any word. And if you get here, say, hey, I'm so happy you're here. Thank you so much for your interest. You can also tweak this and say, kindly follow me if you need the link, or kindly purchase what I'm selling. You can just tweak it to whatever you want. To, hey, my boots just told me you are not following me. And that's it. You can, so the person has to follow you first before it gets whatever link he wants. So this is where you add the link. So I'm going to put, let's say this link. I'll use this link. But for the affiliate marketing, you have to use the link that you get the commission for. The name of the store. So I've saved it. already. And if I want a follow-up DM, so maybe the person does not click it and I want the follow-up DM, I can just toggle this on and say, oh, you're curious, don't forget to tap the link. I can also do a follow-up on that if the person has not clicked this link yet. And I'll go live. When you go live, you get to your page, it's there already. You go live. So that's it, as simple as that. That's the automation. Selling your link, sending your affiliate link for people to promote somebody else's business, grow your page, get to know more people. So your page is always active. Your page is creating awareness to automation, and you're learning more about AI. And if you don't want to sell somebody else's product, you want to sell your own product, you can go to Seller. There's a free and paid version. So on the free, you use Canva and ChatGPT to create an ebook, and you can sell ebook in any niche that you want. So I advise that you use these tools. They are easy to use, and you can start with the free version before going into the paid version. So
Okay, if I may ask, paid one in dollars, how much is it
for
a Manychat?
yeah, so it's $15 if you want the pro version, but you can
Per
start
month?
free. So the free is restricted to the number, like let's say on the template, you won't get so many templates. Like there's an aspect of the template where it says grow followers. So when you click on that particular template, it grows followers for you. So, but there are other ones, like this popular one is there, you can use it. So it's $15.
All right. So
Sorry,
is there
$50 per month.
I didn't hear that. You said?
$15
month.
is per month?
Say again.
Is it
Is
per
it
month, right?
$15 per month or a one-time
Yes.
payment?
No. So it's $15 per month. But on the free version, you get to use it's just the template that are limited for the free version. So you can't do a lot of things. So it's per month, $15 per month. And you can register on Seller as an affiliate marketer with 3,000 Naira. You get a lot of products that you can also help to sell and get 50% commission, 80% commission, 85% commission. And you just use your Manychat to auto DM to your followers to create more visibility to that product, and you get paid. So the chatbot is helping you sell your product. You are not talking too much. Anybody that just chats or like your post, the chatbot send your affiliate link to the person. Why you make money when they purchase that product.
All right. I think somebody raised a hand up earlier. I can't see the person again.
So somebody said, can I set it one prompt for more than one social media? Of course. You can set as many prompts that you want. You can set up to 5 prompts for it, up to 5 different keywords for it. For more than you can even set it that whenever somebody purchases that your affiliate link, somebody purchase on there, you get a WhatsApp alert. You can set for WhatsApp, you can set for Telegram, you can set for Facebook. So you can set different automation for different things. Let's say you have 5 different affiliate links. You can set it for your different platform. So you can monitor which one is bringing more money to you. And if you don't want to affiliate for that particular product, you can drop it and get more products. So as many products you want to affiliate, you can pick the link and affiliate there.
So, Ruth, my own question. Now, I'm a data analyst.
Yes.
I build dashboard for people and companies, and I help with student assignments.
Okay.
Currently, I'm in beginner stage in my marketing journey. I don't even understand what marketing does. So I'm new. So how can I use Manychat to find company that is going to pay me in dollars or pounds?
Very good. So before you even start, before we get to Manychat, you first go to ChatGPT, which is your friend. When you get to ChatGPT, you are going to type, give me 10 companies that pay in pounds and dollar. I am from Nigeria. This is what I do. Give me, you can say top 50, top 100 that pay
Microsoft
in
today
pounds.
there, Amazon, I know
Yes,
many
now. So
offered.
just yes, you know many of the, and you still do not know some. So it's very possible you did not know some, because what happened yesterday, the news that came out yesterday, you have not read it. So ChatGPT have read it. You get, so it's going to give you new ones. So you have those 10 prompts. You already know the 10 clients. Whenever you post, you tag those company. You have to tag them. After tagging them, when you are posting, so grow followers for the pro version where it says grow followers, it helps you grow those lead. So from tagging those company, the chatbot are already seeing that these are the people that you want to aim for. So it's going to help you grow. So the more you have to, so the work is that you have to first post and tag them, and the chatbot will do the rest. If you go to all these companies you are naming, you know they do affiliate marketing. Most times we don't check. Scroll down to the end, you will see where it says affiliate program. So most of these companies do affiliate programs, but it's just that we don't know about it. So you have to click the link, you're helping them, you're selling their products for them, but you are not talking. The chatbot is doing the work. Most people say, I don't want to post, I don't want people to see my face. They have faceless videos you can post, and you tag these companies. So you don't need to show your face if you don't want to show your face. Let AI do the work. And you can also create an avatar that looks like you too on AI, using AI. So you see that you can do so many things with this, and your face is not going to show. Yes.
Okay, somebody asked that can they connect Manychat to LinkedIn? I don't know if you have answered that. And I know there was a time you told me that, there are some people, unlike me, that if you offend me, I'll go and write it on LinkedIn. Many people don't know how to write on LinkedIn.
Yes.
Can many
So
chats assist them to just automate it so that their page will not be empty, so that they will
okay.
look more professional?
So you can't use Manychat for that. So Manychat is for creating chatbots to grow followers. So there's another tool which you can use. We call it Zapier AI agent. You do not need to even just give it that prompt. On free version, just give it the prompt and say, I am Ruth, an AI automation analyst. I like to talk about AI tools. Give me best news and topics related to AI. I want you to act as a LinkedIn strategist expert in posting storytelling lines. That's all. So it's going to give you the prompts, and it's going to help you automatically post it on your LinkedIn daily. If you want it daily, if you want it weekly, if you want it once in a month, you have to choose. And if you want the time, You schedule the time too to use to post it. So that one is Zapier AI agent. There are other type of AI agents, but I've tried Zapier and I know to an extent it's loyal to a fault. So it's good. Use these
Okay, I
tools,
have a
learn how to
question.
use them.
Okay, I have a question.
Okay.
Let's take, I'm in a nail tech industry. I do nails for people to earn money, or I run a salon, or I sell products, anything for my own. I'm just selling. Or maybe I'm working for a company as a sales agent. That company pays me on a commission. I have to sell certain number of products. So currently, I don't know anything